Hi my friends, we just finished our designer program workshop. We're working on graduation. So here we have the look. So she's got some pretty colour going through her hair, and this in here is the disconnection. So this hair on the top, it is a box section on the top, does not connect into the underneath. And this way we can create a skinny side. Here's our short area, a skinny side, and then this long hair cascading over for the softness. So when I do a hairstyle like this, I will be working around the hair this way, and I'll be traveling around the hairstyle, and I will be creating a box this way in my layers, and a box this way in my layers. And this hair again is disconnected, so we've got quite a difference between our shortest hair and our longer hair. And I've just put some pretty little pieces of pink and blue throughout the hair, so it looks really adorable. And I just gently slither down, and so I create these lovely valleys and peaks. I then will come through here, I will twist, and I will slither down, and then I have my valley and a peak. So I create that lovely softness through there. So obviously I'd be holding the razor to cut it, but I don't want to cut the hair, but that's how I'll be going. And then in the top, we do some really pretty layers just to lighten the shape. So I hope you like this look.